Intel has been on a journey actually for 10 years to develop the Optane media. And this media is just a miracle in and of itself. It's byte addressable, unlike NAND, and it is persistent by nature. We call it resistive memory technology, and nobody else has anything like this.
Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Zarate with CRN TV, here with Intel's Kristie Mann to talk about the chipmaker's momentum with its Intel Optane persistent memory product and why it's exciting for the channel. Thank you for joining me today, Kristie.
Hi, thanks for having me.
It's great to have you on. So tell us, what's new for partners to take advantage of?
Yeah, we've got a great new product called persistent memory. Not sure if you've heard of it yet, but Intel Optane persistent memory, a little bit like memory, a little bit like storage, unlike either. It's a new tier, sits between storage and memory, and lots of opportunity for our partners in that space.
And which features will resonate most with channel partners?
I think persistence is probably the #1 thing, as it's part of the name. I think there's a promise in this technology that you can bring storage into memory and have memory speed storage.
So how would you define persistence as it relates to this product?
That's a great question. So persistence is another word for non-volatility. And we're used to, in the storage space, SSDs and hard drives, they are persistent by nature. You don't lose the data if the power is lost. Memory, however, has always been volatile, and it's been accepted in the industry for years. So when you add persistence into your memory, your data is now permanently written in the memory subsystem. You won't lose it if the power goes off.
And tell us how this new technology is progressing.
When we first started in the market, it was only available through the OEM partners. Over time, as we saw the maturity and the innovation happening, we've completely opened it up to the channel now. You can buy the DIMMs, and the channel partners are now starting to really build and grow. I say that 200 or more than 200 of the Fortune 500 companies out there have either tried or deployed persistent memory. And even more exciting, 85% of them are adopting after they try it. I love that question. It's where I really start to get excited in the work that I do. So basically, there's a lot of room for innovation. Software partners can do optimizations to take advantage of the technology. Hardware partners are designing it in so that they can offer that. And then our channel partners, that's really where the innovation is starting. They're developing full solutions around this technology so that they can help their customers adopt it quickly and easily.
Could you give us an example?
So MemVerge is an example of a new company that was built around persistent memory. Their technology has to have persistent memory. This technology provides virtualized pools of memory using persistent memory, and then they add the software capability for storage functionality such as replication, dedupe, snapshotting, and it's really incredible. The performance that you can gain with storage at memory speeds is awesome. The best part about it is you don't have to do any software application with your application if you're using this technology.
Before, with a memory recovery from storage, with a 300 gigabytes database, it takes 15 minutes. And with our technology combined with Intel Optane, it takes half a second. So that's an improvement of 1,500 times.
I'm now joined by Charles Fan, founder and CEO at MemVerge. So what features of Intel Optane persistent memory do you find most valuable to establishing growth at MemVerge?
This is a groundbreaking technology. This redefines what is possible to achieve with memory by offering larger capacity, lower cost, and built-in persistence inside of the memory tier. And I think with this, it lays a foundation to make something that we call big memory computing possible, where through the right software, the application can keep all their application state in memory without going to storage. In effect, eliminating the I/Os that's necessary existing between memory and storage. So Optane will entirely change that.
What opportunities have you been able to close by using Intel Optane persistent memory products?
We have recently closed a couple customers. For example, we have been working with a new stock exchange called Memerge, Members Exchange, and they are using Optane and MemVerge memory machine software to deliver a ultra low latency in-memory PubSub system. to manage all the stock trades and the real-time analytics of that. And we are also working with Intel and other partners on a number of real-time big data and AI machine learning use cases.